smoke with me. And turn this up 800 degree. Whole team eat chefs cause she's a treat. Ooh, she's so bougie, bon appetit.
I'm a savage, attitude nasty. Talk big, but my bank account match it. Hood, but I'm classy.
Hello everyone. I can't yell right now really because I am hiding in my bathroom from my sister just to make this introduction video because I'm about to do the spider prank on her and it's about to be epic. I hear her now coming in the gate, so oh my gosh, I have to get into it. So guys, please just like, comment, subscribe for more pranks to do on her if you want to see, and stay tuned please. Thank you. Alright guys, so this is why I hit the spider and it's about to go down. I'm sorry. Deborah. Get? Oh, she's really bleeding. Get her face cloth right there so she can.
Oh my God! Wow! Wow! Oh, why would you do that? You're a piece of shit.
Huh?
You're a piece of shit.
What happened?
Look under the table.
Tisha, go get it.
Go get Bella's face cloth from underneath the table right here by the thing. Right here. Oh, the little fuzzy thing?
Why are you standing over there?
Because, what did you do with it? Where did you put it?
Come over here. Look.
Stop.
Desiree,
stop.
come.
No. No. Put it with... I know. No. Oh, wow. No. Stop. Please stop. Please.
It's just Poppy. It's just Poppy.
Please stop. I'm going to cry. Please stop. Please. Where is Stephanie at?
She ran outside.
Got this. We got this. We should go.
I didn't think it was so bad.
Yes, it
Oh guys, so this is what the spider actually looks like, and she cried bad. Like, she ran out the house. I chased her the other way, and I chased her down the driveway, and she's crying like hysterically right now. So it was a prank well done. And guys, please like, comment, subscribe if you want more prank videos on her. Like, it's going to be epic. See you guys soon.